In this video, we discuss the flow between two concentric rotating cylinders. This is our figure. This figure shows the velocity pattern in two concentric rotating cylinders. Concentric means the cylinder which has same center. If the cylinder is rotate, then what is the velocity in this? This diagram shows the velocity profile. Let's consider the steady flow of a viscous incompressible fluid between two concentric rotating cylinders. Let A, B, W1, W2 be the radius and angular velocity of the inner and outer rotating cylinders respectively. Let the Z axis be the common axis, and if R direction is common axis, show the normal to the Z axis. Consider the radial polar coordinate system. Then the non-zero component of velocity is equal to v theta. This is the function of r. So the equation of continuity is equal to delta v theta upon delta theta is equal to 0, where v theta is the function of r. This is our equation number 1. And equation of motion is rho v theta square by r is equal to delta p upon delta r. This is equation number 2. So the equation of motion is also mu into delta square v theta upon delta r square plus 1 by r delta v theta by delta r minus v theta upon r square. This is equal to 0. This is our equation number 3. So from equation 3 it is clear that the partial differentiation is become to simple differentiation because v theta is the function of r only. So mu into d square v theta upon dr square plus 1 by r dv theta by dr minus v theta upon r square is equal to 0, or mu into d square v theta by dr square plus d by dr of v theta by r is equal to 0, or d square v theta by dr square plus d by dr of v theta by r. This is equal to 0. This is our equation number 6. And integrating it with respect to r, we get dv theta by dr plus v theta by r is equal to capital A. This is the linear differential equation, and we know the solution of the linear differential equation. In this equation, integrating factor is equal to e integral 1 by r into dr, which is equal to e की power log r is equal to r. So the solution of this linear differential equation is r into v theta is equal to integration of r into a dr plus b. So r v theta is equal to capital A into r square by 2 plus b, or v theta is equal to a by 2 into r plus b by r, or v theta is equal to, if a by 2 is written as c1 then and b is equal to c2, then the equation is v theta is equal to c1r plus c2r. This is our equation number 5, where c1 and c2 are the constant of integration to be determined by the applying boundary condition given by the relation this. When r is equal to 0, then a omega 1 is equal to v theta, and when r is equal to b, then b omega 2 is equal to v theta. So our equation become a omega 1 is equal to c1a plus c2 upon a, and b omega 2 is equal to c1b plus c2b. This is our equation number 7 and 8. So the put multiplying equation 7 by b and equation 8 by a, then ab into omega 1 minus omega 2 is equal to c2 b by a minus a by b, or ab into omega 1 minus omega 2 is equal to c2 into b square minus a square upon ab. Then c2 is equal to a square b square omega 1 minus omega 2 upon b square minus a square. So put these in all equation in 7, then we get a omega 1 is equal to c1 a plus a square b square omega 1 minus omega 2 upon b square minus a square into a, or c1 is equal to omega 1 minus b square omega 1 minus omega 2 upon b square minus a square, or c1 is equal to b square omega 1 minus a square omega 1 minus b square omega 1 plus b square omega 2 upon b square minus a square, and the constant of value of c1 is equal to b square omega 2 minus a square omega 1 upon b square minus omega 1. Now put value in equation number 5, then we get v theta is equal to b square omega 2 minus a square omega 1 upon b square minus a square into r plus 1 by r into a square b square into omega 1 minus omega 2 upon b square minus a square. Yeah, v theta is equal to 1 by b square minus a square b square omega 2 minus a square omega 1 into r plus a square into b square by r into omega 1 minus omega 2. This is our equation number 8. So this is the required velocity distribution in two concentric rotating cylinder, where a is the inner radius and b is the outer radius. B theta is the component of velocity, omega 1 and omega 2 the angular velocity in inner cylinder and outer cylinder. R is the radial distance. This result is applicable in many situations in cylindrical systems. So when the flow between two concentric rotating cylinder, then the velocity is given by the equation number 8. Thank you.